Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing episode of Stovetopyumyum's Seasoning Blend series. Today, we are making an easy, it'll take 20 minutes. We're gonna use smoked sausage and veggies, guys. These are the simple ingredients, check it out. I have 2 bell peppers, an orange and a red. You can use whichever color you like. 2 zucchinis cut in julienne style. I have a beautiful medium onion sliced, some Baby Yukon Gold potatoes quartered, and use your favorite smoked sausage. I have a Polish smoked sausage here. Of course, I have cilantro to garnish and use in my dish, and 3 cloves of garlic. So now we're gonna grab this, how easy this is. We're gonna grab 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I've already preheated my pan, took it off because it was really hot. So we're gonna do 2, 1, 2. This is incredible. Today, guys, we're going to use my original seasoning blend. Yum. This is what we're using today. 2 tablespoons of Stovetopyumyum's original seasoning blend. So now we're going to get our onions. You have to move fast with olive oil, guys. Remember, olive oil does not resist heat too well. So let's put our onions in there. I'm going to put my peppers in last because I want to keep that beautiful, vibrant color. Remember, we eat with our eyes, guys. Don't forget. So the zucchini's going last and the bell peppers are going last. Because I love texture, as you all know. And not only that, we'll also have a nice, beautiful, vibrant colors. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put our potatoes to the side. Grab some onions I have under here. All right, so we're going to do that. So there we go. A little close up of that using sauteing my onions with some olive oil. And let me grab, hang on a second. One ingredient that I forgot to mention that I love to use is a tablespoon of unsalted butter. I always use unsalted butter, guys, because I like to control the salt in my food, which I don't have any because I use my seasoning blends that have no salt. You already know that, so. All right, so let's do that. Let me grab my beautiful wooden spoon that I love so much. All right, so let's do that. Let's add some, the unsalted butter will add a richness to your dish. This is so easy. A 1-pot dish. I absolutely love it. So my Polish sausage is smoked and already cooked, and that's fine. We're gonna go ahead and throw that in there. Add some flavor to our pan. I'm also gonna use a lime. This time I'm going to use the zest of a lime, and we'll use a little bit of the lime juice once I am plating my dish to garnish. So do that. Now we're going to add our little potatoes. They're small, but that'll take a lot longer to cook than the peppers and the zucchini, which I love. The actual vibrant color of the peppers. Look how beautiful. I have orange and I have red. Yum. All right, so now I'm going to grab 2 tablespoons. So now we're going to do 1 tablespoon, and when we add our zucchini, we'll do the other one, guys. Grab your measuring spoons. That's 1. All right. I've already made this so many times that I could probably make it with my eyes closed. Hope you guys are loving my series so far. So this is our 20-minute smoked sausage and veggie 1-pot meal. Guys, I say it in all my episodes. The majority of us work all day and we're so tired, and we don't want to come home and be 3 hours in the kitchen, even if we love to cook, because we're very busy. So I've created these meals, and the best part is there's tons of flavor, and it's all salt-free, sugar-free, gluten-free. Maybe I'm using the Yukon Golds, but that's fine. But it's also no MSG, guys. So today we've got no salt, no sugar, and no MSG, guys. Our seasoning has no gluten. You can always substitute the Yukon potatoes for, you can always substitute it with mushrooms if you're gluten-free. I like to treat myself sometimes, you know. All right, so now we're gonna grab the zucchini in there. This is a 1-pot dish, guys. Check this out. I'm going to get a close-up here. So happy to be back. Love sharing all these recipes with you guys. My computer's talking to itself in the room. I just heard it. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna put that in there in our one pot dish. Now we're gonna add our beautiful, vibrant peppers. Usually peppers are sauteed with onions first. In this case, I like to put them last. Listen guys, we eat with our eyes first. So you wanna serve a beautiful dish with all those vibrant colors. I mean, come on, who doesn't? It's beautiful, look how beautiful that is. Get a close up guys, and done, that's it, I'm done. Gonna grab my adorable hydroplane. Be careful, we're gonna get some zest in here, some lime zest. Be careful guys, when you get to the white on the lime, don't go too deep because it'll become very bitter and you don't want that. But the lime zest or lemon zest is delicious because the actual skin of the lime or the lemon, that's where all the oils are. So it gives you a very deep, delicious lime flavor. All right, so we got that. And we're gonna go ahead and put some on there we go. All right, so let's give this a stir. All right, so now I'm going to throw in a little bit of cilantro because I'm all about cilantro. And I'm gonna garnish with cilantro too. Yum. Okay. So this is a one pot dish. Look at this, you guys. Let me get a close up. How beautiful is that? And you're done. Then you're done. Get your bowls ready, serve your family, you're done. So now I want these veggies. I do want the potatoes to cook. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to grab, I'm like my grandmother, I use the same plates for everything. I'm gonna grab a third a cup of water, which I already know how it's measured. Grab your measuring, right there, third a cup of water, and we are gonna drop our heat down to low, medium low. This is where the 20 minutes come in. The prep is like maybe 5 or 10 minutes, and then we'll leave it an additional 15, 20 to simmer. Our one pot sausage and veggie pot will be ready. I'm gonna plate, and you're not gonna believe how quick and simple and delicious this recipe is. You don't wanna miss this, guys. And don't forget, guys, today we're using my original seasoning blend, the Cuban one. Delicious smokiness. It'll add smokiness to the veggies. It'll pump up the smoked sausage. This is incredible, you guys. No salt, sugar, gluten, or MSG, guys. You don't want to miss this, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back, and this is looking and smelling divine, you guys. So easy. Look at this. 15 minutes. Simmered it for 15 minutes. I'm going to grab some and plate it, and of course, I'm going to garnish with some cilantro. Let me show you guys. Oh my God, it smells so good in here. What an easy one pot dish. Let's grab a little bit of lime juice. Yum. I don't need my lime machine because I just need a tiny, tiny bit of lime juice. That's good. Now I'm going to dry my hands because cilantro is very sticky to work with. Grab some cilantro for our garnish. All right, we are missing, hang on a second. Let's make it beautiful, guys. That's what I'm all about. Look at this, you guys. Oh my God. How beautiful. Wait a minute. Keep our dish clean, guys. Beautiful, pretty, nice and clean. Look at that. Let me grab a little piece of potato. I can't really grab like a whole thing of everything, so grab a piece of potato. It's hot. Wait a minute. All right, now I'm gonna taste. Mmm. 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 The meatiness, I used a smoked Polish sausage in this dish today. I just got the hiccups, it's so good. Sorry guys, hold on. Let me hold my breath. All right. See that trick? Don't try it at home. I always hold my breath, my hiccups go away. Oh my God, that's so exciting. So guys, you see that? The creaminess of that Baby Yukon Gold, the delicious sweetness of that pepper, of the red bell pepper, the meatiness of that sausage, and the freshness of the cilantro. Can't beat it, guys. What a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful dish. And remember, you guys, we used our original seasoning blend. And of course, I have my blazing gunpowder, and I also have my organic holy mango. My 3 amazing seasoning blends with no salt, sugar, or gluten, guys. You don't want to miss out. I'll link it in the description. Check it out at my store. Shipping is always free, guys. And don't forget, I have published a recipe journal with over 100 pages. You can purchase the hardcover or the paperback. You can sit in the comfort of your own home while you watch these episodes, and it will give you, for each recipe, you can write down the recipe. It'll have a section to write down the instructions, the recipe name. Incredible. I'll also have it linked down in the description, guys, along with the recipe. This is another great, simple recipe from Stovetopyumyum Seasoning Blend Series. How incredible was that? And all you needed was this, the original seasoning blend. You didn't have to be digging into your cupboard for seasonings, etc. That's it. Quick, easy meal with delicious flavor, guys. And as I always say, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to comment. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If not, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and don't forget the bell so you don't miss any episodes, guys. And as I always say in all my episodes, my 2 main ingredients in everything that I cook are passion and love. I don't care what you look like. I don't care what your kitchen looks like. I don't care where you come from. If you are creating a recipe in your kitchen and you incorporate those 2 main ingredients, passion and love, I promise you your recipe won't fail, guys. So guys, keep watching and stay tuned, guys. We have more series coming with my 3 amazing seasoning blends. My holy mango, my blazing gunpowder, and my original seasoning blend. And this is great because most of you watching already have my seasoning blends. So this is wonderful. So let me know what you think in the comments. And as I always say from the bottom of my heart, guys, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetopyumyum, I'll be back and I'll see you guys then. Take great care, my friends. Bye.